Sean Combs back in federal court as the mogul's forthcoming trial is ramping up. Both sides today resolving disputes over challenges to potential jurors before 12 people are picked. Now, hundreds of prospective jurors have filled out questionnaires about sex abuse, celebrities, and viewing graphic evidence. Prosecutors allege Combs maintained control over certain employees, coercing women to perform sex acts during events dubbed freak-offs. Combs has pleaded not guilty to all federal charges. News Nation's Marcus Espinoza is live for us outside of the Manhattan courthouse. So, Marcus, what is the latest after this hearing wrapped up?
Yeah, so it wrapped up. It took about 20 minutes or so, and I want to comment on some things that my producer Ava witnessed inside that courtroom there on Diddy's appearance. He seemed to be in a good mood, according to her. He seemed to wave to folks coming in, to the jurors, or not to the jurors, but to folks in the courtroom there, to the media as well, and really seemed to be in a good, positive mood there. He also officially rejected the plea deal that was offered there as well. So really a lot of interesting notes there. Also was very grayed in the hair, noticeably thinner, according to my producer there as well. So some interesting things there as well. The presiding judge agreed for Combs to be present during sequestered questioning of potential jurors, which is a change, and the court is expecting to go through about 50 jurors a day for 3 days starting this Monday, with attorneys arriving at 8 a.m. and jurors at about a half an hour later after that. The court hoping the jury selection process will be wrapped within 3 days after it begins. The defense is also asking for additional question to be added, asking potential jurors if they've seen or read any of this media coverage. The court is looking for a total of 45 total jurors to be in that final selection group after those 3 days of questioning the jurors there. And again, the main focus of today was supposed to be about the juror questionnaire. Instead, a lot of other stuff got done in relation to that as well. But again, back to the demeanor of Sean Combs there. He appeared to be in a good mood. He was waving to folks as he entered into the courtroom. He had a notebook on him. He was taking notes, and he had a jumpsuit on there as well. And then noticeably, his family was, for a most part, there absent, and that had not been the case in previous appearances there for Sean Combs. So certainly worth noting here, as May 12th, as of right now, is the scheduled date for those opening statements to begin. But again, that could always change depending on what happens here over the next few days. But May 12th is when this trial could get started. It could last more than 2 months here, about 8 to 10 weeks. We will see what happens, but certainly a very high priority case.